Hello everybody. Hi, how are you this evening? My name is Jay Kumar Basin and I am a chef. I am a chef by profession. So today, since we have been invited by Amul and today is World Milk Day, so we have decided something to do with the milk today, which is going to be pure vegetarian. So let's come here and see what we have here today corrected. So here we have, to start with, we will start with a malai kofta, Punjabi style malai kofta. So the malai kofta is basically two different kinds served. One is in the white gravy and another one is in the red gravy. So the Punjabis, they have a culture of rich food. They love to have rich food. So they love little bit spicy food and in the red gravy. So we are going to do, since we are doing a Punjabi style malai kofta, so we will be doing in the red gravy today. So what we have here today is onion, tomatoes, some cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, ginger, you have green chili, chopped garlic, cloves, small cardamom, the green cardamom, some roasted cumin powder, some whole cumin, some garam masala right over here. Then you have some cornstarch, which is going to do the binding agent for the kofta, some all-purpose flour, that is HNR flour, some red chili powder, of course the salt as a seasoning. Then we also have cashew nuts, we have pistachio, we have raisins, then the boiled eggs. Again, the boiled eggs is going to give the binding agent to the kofta. We also have the kasturi methi to finish with, some cilantro, which is green coriander called in India, some honey, heavy cream. We also are going to use some of the Amul products. So we have Amul paneer over here, which we are going to use. We have Amul milk, which we have used already to make the some of the paneer. We have Amul butter and Amul pure desi ghee. So Amul has a lot of products in India. These are only very few of them. So today, since we are doing this, so let's start something with the malai kofta. So to start with, what we have done here already for you guys, we have already boiled the potatoes. So we'll grate the potatoes. Either you can grate it or you can fork mash it. So we will grate the potatoes. Once you are boiling the potatoes, please make sure you do not overboil the potatoes, and as soon as the potatoes are boiled, you take the potatoes out from the water. Otherwise, the potatoes have a tendency to absorb all the water. So now you see I have grated the potatoes to a very fine thing over here, and then we are going to use some of the paneer. So we are going to use Amul paneer here. Okay. Now, you can use the fresh paneer also. The fresh paneer will actually be almost the same taste. You just crumble the cottage cheese, which is Amul paneer, crumble it, and the ratio what you have to take is, what I take for it is 60 to 65% of cottage cheese, that is paneer, and 30 to 35% of potatoes. Potatoes we are going to use only as a binding agent. Now we are going to put a little bit, just a little bit of roasted cumin powder, some red chili powder, some salt to taste, some all-purpose flour. I will use here roughly 2 tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of flour. We're going to use some green chilies, in it. Let's chop green chili and some chopped cilantro. That is green coriander leaves, fresh green coriander leaves. So this is our basic mixture. We are going to make it ready. And once we make this mixture ready, then we are going to turn this mixture into nice balls. Okay. Now what I prefer is, please make the mixture as much fine as possible. Make it very nice. Mix it very nice. Keep on kneading to a fine mixture. 100% potato boils, please. But make sure when you boil the potatoes, as soon as the potatoes are boiled, you can air dry them, or if you feel the potatoes are a little bit overcooked, I will say put them in the fridge. Okay, so there is a very cool air in the fridge. The water, extra water will be absorbed. Now if you have seen, we have also added little bit of flour in it, जिसको हम मैदा बोलते हैं. हमने मैदे से क्या किया है, इसको एक्स्ट्रा बाइंडिंग दी है कॉटेज चीज को. Recipe name is Punjabi style malai kofta, which is going to be in the rich tomato gravy. Can you please adjust the video? So you see, now I have already done this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make nice balls of it. And to make the balls, we will take the help of the corn flour. We'll sprinkle a little bit of corn flour here. And in these balls, whenever we make the balls, we can do like this. So rub a little bit. And we are going to stuff now a little bit of pistachio, a little bit of raisins, and a little bit of cashew nuts. The camera. You see, you can make a ball like this, rub it with the corn flour. You make even size balls. You pad it with your hand with a little bit of corn flour. Dust the balls in the corn flour. Make a hole. Take 2 pieces of raisins, a pistachio, and a cashew nut. Again, 2 pieces of raisin, some pistachio, and
please tell once again Kofta's recipe.
what's that, please?
Kofta recipe.
No.
Once again.
What we have done, we have taken the boiled potatoes, fresh potatoes. We have boiled. We have de-skinned the potatoes. We have fork mashed the potatoes. Then we have taken 60% of fresh cottage cheese, that is paneer. What we have used is Amul paneer today, and we have grated both of them. We have made a mixture, adding a little bit of red chili powder, cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, fresh roasted cumin powder, some cashew nuts, some cilantro, some green chili, and we are going to bind it with the corn कॉर्नफ्लावर।
इधर
ऊपर से हटाते हैं, खाली फेस पे रहो, खाली फेस पे रहो।
पूरा पूरा
हिलेगा तो रुकेगा।
You know, during this lockdown period, since most of the restaurants are closed, most of the hotels are closed, so what we are going to try to do is teach you guys how in the hotel they make the malai kofta. Now, when we are talking about Punjabi style, whenever Punjabis go in a hotel or a restaurant, there are only three things they are looking for. One is dal makhani, one is malai kofta, and another one is paneer makhani.
Close करो, close. Can you please get the video close to the chef?
So these are the three things which are being used. Since the malai, since the paneer makhani has been shown already, so that is why we have chosen today malai kofta.
नेक्स्ट में दिखा मैं कर लूँगा नेक्स्ट में।
So normally when you go in a hotel or a restaurant and you order a malai kofta, now this is going to be melt in your mouth. Okay, here we go. So what we have done, we have already made the kofta balls, and now we are going to start with the gravy for the malai kofta. After this.
एक और बना एक और बना
My name is Jay Kumar Basin and I am a chef by profession. I have almost 36 years of experience, out of which last 24 years I am in the US working for the cruise ships. And believe me, Indian food is very famous abroad. I am very happy to serve the Indian food there in US, and I am working in the position of executive chef for the last 18 years. Okay, so now our koftas are ready. Kofte pe le jao photo. Koftas are ready. उधर ही रखो. Okay, in the meantime now, let's start with the gravy now. And we'll put our induction cooker on. We have taken and we are going to take the help of induction today. We set up the temperature. And for the kofta, we are going to use some garlic, some ginger, some green chili, some onions, tomatoes. This one we don't need anymore. Some cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, some cloves, cardamom.
Can you show the close please?
Display.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स
Display.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स बता दो
कितना close हो?
एक मिनट इधर आना. इसको. इसको. So let's start. We are going to use the oil. very hot.
थोड़ा डालो
And some of the butter we will use here. That's Amul butter. Now, whenever I go and I'm in the States, this is the butter I miss. Amul butter. You know, since my childhood, I have been using this butter, and since this butter has salt, so this very tasty. I have already added the tomatoes. Now, since we are going to blend this gravy, so I have not really fine chopped the tomatoes. मैंने ये प्याज को ज़्यादा बारीक चॉप नहीं किया है क्योंकि इसको हम ब्लेंड करेंगे. So we are going to stir it. थोड़ा नीचे ले आओ कढ़ाई के ऊपर.
कढ़ाई आ रही है, ये थोड़ा नीचे आता
नहीं,
है.
कढ़ाई के ऊपर ले आओ. We're going to add a little bit of ginger, not too much. Green chili for sure. A few of cardamoms. Now we are not going to cook the onions too much, okay? We are just going to have the onions little bit of transparent. I can feel that aroma coming out of ginger, garlic. Not too much, a few. We don't add the garlic in the beginning because if you add the garlic in the beginning, the garlic have a tendency to burn. Now we are going to add some of our cashew nuts over here. We're going to add some tomatoes. Now tomatoes have to be more than the onions. Remember that. This is more of a makhani gravy. आप एक तेज पत्ता डाल सकते हैं इसमें और एक सिनेमन स्टिक. अब जब हम ब्लेंड करेंगे तो प्लीज सिनेमन स्टिक और तेज पत्ते को आप निकाल दीजिए. आप चाहें तो थोड़ा सा बटर और डाल सकते हैं. Now I can feel the aroma. Can you please bring the camera closer so the people can see? Now once your onions are transparent, जैसे ही आपके अनियन थोड़े बहुत सौते हो जाएं, उसका कलर आ जाए, टमाटो थोड़ा घुल मिल जाए उसमें, तो हम इसको ब्लेंड कर लेंगे. ब्लेंड करने से पहले हम इसमें थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची डालेंगे क्योंकि हम आज पंजाबी डिश बनाने जा रहे हैं, तो लाल मिर्ची बहुत ज़रूरी है. थोड़ा नमक डाल देंगे स्वाद के अनुसार. एज पर द टेस्ट, लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट, some garam masala and some coriander seeds. little bit of water. Add some cream in this. इसको पका लीजिए थोड़ा. You can see I have not added too much of water. The only water I have added is just 60 ml water, not too much. I have added 30 ml heavy cream, some 60 gram of butter, and the gravy is going to be rich. Onion, tomato, cashew nut, and heavy cream and butter. So you can cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. Once you feel the tomato has been start reducing, some people also use tomato paste. I don't use. I use fresh tomato, and the tomatoes also what I have used. If you can see, I have used the whole fresh organic tomatoes. Okay. भारत में 2 किस्म के टमाटर आते हैं. एक जो लंबे वाले होते हैं उनको हम बम्बईया टमाटर बोलते हैं, और एक ये गोल होते हैं. जो गोल टमाटर होते हैं इनमें अपनी ही एक फ्लेवर होता है, अपनी खटास होती है, जिसके लिए बहुत फेमस हैं. और जितनी भी भारतीय सब्जियां बनती हैं उनमें हम प्रेफर करते हैं कि हम गोल टमाटर यूज़ करें.
20 minutes.
Okay. So now
ये blend के लिए दे दें.
we are going to blend this because it's been already cooked, and we'll finish it off later on. In the meantime, what we will do, we'll take our pan and we'll start frying the balls. This is vegetable oil, salad oil, all purpose. We have to deep fry, so we have to take plenty of oil.
तेल में कुछ इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये नहीं है फिर इसमें.
Okay, I think so this pot has a problem. So let's transfer the oil in this one. Yeah, this one. The induction is not catching up this pot. So let the oil heat up. I am not going to heat up the oil in too much big temperature. So the oil should be medium hot to fry. So the gravy has been blended already. It's over here, and we are going to use it later. White मत कीजिए. Any questions? Is everything clear by everybody? Let the oil become hot.
Can I get the written recipe?
Yes, we can send you a written recipe after the show. So I believe everybody knows in India how the Amul products came in. When did the Amul started? How did the Amul culture came to India? And how did people start adopting the Amul? It's taking little bit of time to become hot. थोड़ा समय ले रहा है तेल गर्म होने में. You can always check. You can add 1 or 2 drop of water or cumin inside if you see it bubbling. So the oil is hot. Otherwise it takes time.
Did you grind the masalas with it?
We grinded everything, and this is the gravy which came out just now. What we made it, and we are going to finish it after the oil is hot. Yeah, we have taken out the cinnamon stick and the and the bay leaves before we grind it. A lot of people sorry. Now the oil is becoming almost hot. Let's try. What we'll do, since we have done this a little bit earlier, we'll just dust one more time with the cornstarch. So if there is any moisture came from the balls, it will be okay. Over here. आप एक एक करके हल्का सा डस्ट करिए, कॉर्नस्टार्च को फ्राई करिए.
So much oil for 5 kg.
We have to put more oil. The balls have to dip inside, and you see, very beautiful, very beautiful. And believe me, once you eat this, you will not need to go to any hotel. You can make it at home. The recipe is so simple. The only thing is you have to put your love inside. Just make it nice golden brown balls. आप एक बार ये वाली रेसिपी ट्राई करिएगा. आपको कभी भी बाहर से मलाई कोफ्ता मंगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ये हमारी गारंटी है.
ग्राइंड करने के बाद स्ट्रेन करना है ग्रेवी को.
once you blend the gravy, जब आप blend करते हैं ग्रेवी को, तो a lot of people they also strain the gravy. ये आपके ऊपर है. आपको जितनी ग्रेवी स्मूथ चाहिए आप स्ट्रेन कर लीजिए वायर स्ट्रेनर से. स्टेनलेस स्टील का वायर स्ट्रेनर यूज करिएगा. देखिएगा कोई भी कोफ्ता बिल्कुल भी फटा नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज आज हम थोड़ा इंडक्शन पे बना रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा ऑयल हीट होने में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है.
इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखाने
आप जब भी कोफ्ता बनाएं तो कोशिश करिएगा 65 to 70% आप पनीर लीजिएगा और आलू को खाली बाइंडिंग एजेंट की तरह यूज करिए। ये आपके कोफ्ता रेडी हो गए हैं। हमने एक बटर पेपर नीचे लगा दिया है, नैपकिन, जिससे ऑयल सारा उसमें सोक हो जाएगा। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हमने जो ग्रेवी ब्लेंड की थी, लेट्स स्टार्ट टू फिनिश दैट ग्रेवी। ये हमने ग्रेवी जो ब्लेंड की थी, आप देख सकते हैं कितनी स्मूथ है। यू कैन सी हाउ स्मूथ द ग्रेवी इज। What I have done, you have seen, I have added a very little amount of water. We already had added the garam masala, cumin seed, red chili powder. हमने सब पहले मिला दिया है। अब हम क्या करेंगे, ग्रेवी को खत्म करने के लिए लेट्स डू समथिंग।
क्या
चम्मच चाहिए छोटा। साफ साफ
ऐसा
आप देखिएगा ग्रेवी कैसे साइडें छोड़ रही है। लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज। वाओ, I don't know. I just added in front of you the seasoning. The seasoning looks perfect to me. What we will do here is our honey. We are going to add a little bit of honey in it and some some kasturi methi. And what we have done, we have dry roasted the kasturi methi leaves. A little. Now this one is almost ready. Towards the finish we'll add a little bit of butter, little bit of cream, and little bit of cilantro leaves. So this is ready. Now what we will do, we will add our koftas in this. Can you show the kofta please? We have added the koftas in this and we will add the gravy on top. This is how it should go. आप कभी भी कोफ्ता जो है पैन के अंदर डाल के मत रखिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही डेलिकेट होते हैं कोफ्ते और चांसेस होते हैं कि ये टूट जाएं कोफ्ते।
फिंगर
क्या करेंगे हम, यहाँ पे ऐसे हल्का सा गार्निश कर देंगे क्रीम से। और सो जरा सी, ज़्यादा नहीं, जरा से हम हरा धनिया डाल देंगे। ये हो गया आपका मलाई कोफ्ता तैयार। अभी हम इसको हटा देंगे यहाँ से, इसका तो काम हो गया है। हमने क्या किया है, हमने ये राइस पुलाव बना लिया है, ये जीरा पुलाव बनाया है, प्याज काट के सौते करके जीरे के साथ, और बासमती राइस यूज़ किया है जो कि मलाई कोफ्ता के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है। हम इसको क्या करेंगे, हम इसको डीमोल्ड कर देंगे ऐसे। आप इसको ऐसे ही रखिए 5 मिनट। अभी ये हमारा मलाई कोफ्ता का पैन है, हम इसमें बड़े प्यार से 2 पीस कोफ्ता निकालेंगे, एक और पीस निकालेंगे, ग्रेवी डालेंगे थोड़ा, ये आपकी मलाई कोफ्ते की ग्रेवी हो गई। थोड़ी सी आप क्रीम लीजिएगा, दोबारा से बॉल में डालिएगा, और हरा धनिया। ये हमने क्या किया है, अब पंजाबी हैं तो पराठा बनता है, और मलाई कोफ्ता और ये लच्छा पराठा, ये है आपका फुल मलाई कोफ्ता विद लच्छा पराठा एंड जीरा राइस। सो कैसा लगा आपको? आई थिंक सो आई हैव ट्राइड टू मेक द रेसिपी वेरी सिंपल एंड आई होप एवरीबॉडी विल ट्राई एट होम। सब लोग एक बार ट्राई जरूर कीजिए, इसमें कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, आपको 5 स्टार जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। लॉकडाउन का पीरियड वैसे भी चल रहा है, आप एक बार इसको घर पे ट्राई जरूर कीजिएगा। अब पंजाबी हैं तो एक बात तो श्योर है कि लस्सी तो बनती है। हमने क्या किया है, हमने अमूल दही लिया है, आप कोई भी दही ले सकते हैं, आप घर में दही बनाइए, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं। ये पानी दे देना, अब दही डालिएगा। अब चूंकि ये रिकॉर्डिंग रात को हो रही है और लस्सी रात को पीनी है, मेरे को रिक्वेस्ट की गई थी क्योंकि आज वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे है, सो लेट्स डू समथिंग विद द अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड द मिल्क। आइस, थोड़ा सा पानी डालिएगा, ज़्यादा नहीं डालिएगा, पंजाबी लोग हैं, खाना हम रिच खाते हैं। बर्फ डालिए, थोड़ा सा नमक डालिए स्वाद अनुसार, अब गढ़ भी तो हमने ले ली है। पुराना जमाना होता था तो हम लोग मधानी, देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ वुडन थिंग सिमिलर टू दिस, वी यूज्ड टू यूज इट। आजकल का जमाना है, एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू गो शॉर्टकट्स, सो वी आर यूजिंग अ स्टिक ब्लेंडर and you can see what I have done. You just churn the lassi, the yogurt, plain yogurt along with milk and ice with some salt. You can also make sweet lassis with sugar. You can make a mango lassi. आप जब मैंगो लस्सी बनाएंगे तो उसमें कार्डमम पाउडर जरूर डालिएगा, आप अगर स्वीट लस्सी बनाते हैं तो उसमें केवड़ा सिरप जरूर डालिएगा। पंजाबी है तो मक्खन चाहिए ही चाहिए, हैवी क्रीम चाहिए ही चाहिए, और लस्सी तो बनती है। तो हमारी लस्सी ऑलमोस्ट तैयार हो गई है। हमने ये गिलास लिया है। पंजाबियों के गिलास छोटे नहीं होते हैं, वो हर एक चीज बड़े दिल वाले होते हैं और बड़ा ही गिलास यूज करते हैं। ये आपकी लस्सी है। ये आपकी लस्सी है। और इन द एंड you have to use your roasted jeera powder. Never put your jeera powder when you are blending the lassi. ये देखिएगा, आप चाहें स्वाद के लिए थोड़ा सा हरा धनिया सिलांट्रो डाल सकते हैं। तो ये हो गया जी आपका पंजाबी लंच। मलाई कोफ्ता विद लच्छा पराठा, जीरा राइस and Punjabi masala lassi. So I hope everybody liked it. And one more time, thank you Amol, thank you everybody for giving me a chance to show you how easy homemade recipes we can make. Thanks a lot. Thank you.